How to remove the double blue arrows from any files and folders on Windows 10. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can remove this double blue arrow right here on any kind of folder on your Windows device. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. On that note, let's get started. So here I have a random folder on my desktop, and as you can see, all of the files here has this two blue arrows on the top right corner of the icon. So let's see how you can remove this. This usually happens because your files are compressed, so all you have to do is decompress the files to remove this arrow. So for example, on this file right here, I'm just going to right click on it, click on properties, and from here if you head over to advanced, here as you can see on compress or encrypt attributes, the compress content to save disk space is turned on. You just have to uncheck this, click on OK, click on apply, and then OK again. Once you do that, as you can see, the two arrows has been removed. Now if you want to do this to all of these folders at once or all of these files at once, then what you need to do is close this folder. Right click on this entire folder and click on its properties, head over to advanced and do the same for this. Click on OK, click on apply, and as you can see it will ask you to apply changes for this folder only and apply changes for this folder, subfolders, and files. So if you choose the second option, all of the files and subfolders inside this parent folder will be applied to this change. So click on OK and click on OK again. Now if you open it, as you can see, none of these files have the two arrows. So I hope you found this video helpful. Hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.